Applying to jobs manually in today's market is completely broken. If you're still sitting there copying, pasting, and manually rewriting your resume bullet points for every single job posting, you're competing at a massive disadvantage against automated AI pipelines. In this masterclass tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to build an enterprise-grade automated system using Google Sheets, Google Gemini AI, and Make.com that analyzes raw job descriptions and generates laser-targeted, ATS-optimized resume bullet points in under 5 seconds flat. Let's look at the end result in action. Here is our master tracking spreadsheet. All you do is paste the company name, job title, and raw job requirements into these columns. Behind the scenes, our Make.com engine detects the new row, routes the data straight into Google Gemini with an elite career coach system instruction, and instantly populates column E with 3 punchy, metric-driven bullet points tailored specifically to that company's tech stack. Here is why this matters. The average corporate job posting receives well over 250 applicants. Modern applicant tracking systems automatically filter out up to 75% of those resumes before a human recruiter ever lays eyes on them. They do this by scanning for exact semantic keyword matches, leadership action verbs, and quantifiable metrics. If your resume uses generic descriptions, you get filtered out. Our automation guarantees that every single application has maximum ATS keyword density. Let's break down the system architecture. We are constructing an ultra-clean, 3-node automation loop inside Make.com. Node 1 is our Google Sheets Watch Rows trigger that continuously monitors our tracking sheet. Node 2 is the Google Gemini AI completion module that executes our specialized prompt engineering logic. And Node 3 is our Google Sheets Update row action that writes the generated bullet points back into column E with precise row-level indexing. Starting with step 1, in Make.com, we add the Google Sheets Watch Rows module. We authenticate our Google account and select our master tracking sheet. We specify Sheet 1 as our active tab, set Table contains headers to Yes, and define our header boundary from A1 to F1. This ensures that every time a new row is entered with raw job requirements in column D, Make.com immediately captures that row number and raw text payload. Now for step 2, we connect the Google Gemini AI module using the Create a Chat completion action. We link our free API key from Google AI Studio and select the high-speed Gemini Flash model. For the user message, we map the dynamic token from Module 1 representing column D, our raw job requirements. This feeds the unedited job posting directly into Gemini with zero manual copying. The magic of this entire system lives inside the system instructions. We don't just ask AI to write a resume. We program Gemini with a strict career strategist persona. We instruct it to follow the STAR methodology: situation, task, action, and result. We enforce the use of powerful action verbs like spearheaded, architected, and optimized. And most importantly, we enforce a strict zero hallucination constraint, forbidding any conversational filler so the output is pure, copy-paste ready bullet points. Next is step 3. We add the Google Sheets Update a Row module to close the loop. We pass the dynamic row number token from our trigger module so it knows exactly which row triggered the event. Under column E, AI-tailored resume bullet points, we map the result token directly from Module 2. This locks in a clean two-way data sync that updates your sheet in real time. Let's trigger a live test execution. When we hit Run Once on the Make.com canvas, data packets pulse instantly from the trigger node through Gemini AI and directly into the Update module. Looking back at our sheet, column E is now filled with 3 pristine, ATS-optimized bullet points that speak directly to the hiring manager's requirements. It took under 4 seconds from start to finish. What makes this workflow so powerful is its modularity. By swapping the system prompt inside Module 2, you can instantly turn this into a 3-paragraph tailored cover letter generator, an executive star accomplishment writer, or a custom LinkedIn recruiter outreach note creator that crafts personalized connection messages under 300 characters. You can follow every step shown in this video to build this entire system yourself. But if you want to skip the manual setup, avoid troubleshooting errors, and get instant access to my exact one-click JSON blueprint, the pre-formatted Google Sheets tracker, the interactive dashboard, and 5 bonus career prompt libraries, I've bundled everything into a complete automation kit linked in the description below. Grab it, deploy it in 5 minutes, and supercharge your job search today.